What up, y'all? I'm gonna show you how to get around the Decrypt.day IPA store freezing. Not sure if it's just a me problem, but I don't know if you can hear I'm slamming on my keyboard and nothing is happening. Can't press anything. So I'm not sure why this happens, and if the solution I found doesn't work for you, I honestly don't know how to help you. So sorry about that. If it doesn't work and you find other solutions, please comment them down below. Anyways, so basically really simple. All we're gonna do is open up a browser like Google and then type in Decrypt.day and then the game name. Then as you can see, it pops up as the front page. Click it, and I don't know if it's just a me thing, but everything other than the main homepage on Decrypt.day works fine. So you can download it, go through everything, and works perfectly like it normally would. Again, don't know why it doesn't work on the main page, but yep, freezes again. Yeah, I don't know why, but and I don't know what just happened. But anyways, that's hopefully a workaround that will work for you. That's about it. Hope this helped, and subscribe for more Mac gaming news and tutorials. And that's about it. See ya.